Sitting behind me is my Junk Miata, the one I just fixed the head gasket on, and today marks day one of trying to drive this Miata across the United States and back. Should be about 10,000 miles just to prove my mechanical work, or lack thereof. I'm gonna be starting off this journey on the central coast of California and make my way all the way on out to Florida, up the coast, hopefully out to Tail of the Dragon, everything like that. But I'll tell you what, I am actually pretty dang nervous. I did the whole head gasket job myself as a pure novice mechanic. I got no clue what I'm doing and no clue if I'm gonna make it. So yeah, that's my pitch. Let's see if we can do it. So without further ado, let's touch our feet to the water to prove that we touched the West Coast and get on the way. I'm in my home state. I've got thousands of miles to go. And this is an old car, it's got 187,000 miles. I'm fired up to start the journey, but I'm also incredibly nervous. But that's kind of what life's about, right? Taking a chance, see something new. It's my big goal, just to cross the country with this car, experience some time in the Miata, see some new things, meet some new people, and just live an adventure right here. So, without further ado, let's hit the road. Boom. Dang, that sucks. Currently scooting the car on over to Harbor Freight right now. Gonna do some atrocious work on this just to keep us back on the road again. Now, if you know a thing or two about getting things done, all you need is a stick and a leaf. Pioneer's been using these things for ages to patch up hoses. Literally only been about 100 miles since starting this 10,000 mile trip. Yeah, I'd say things are going pretty good. Let's hit the road. My only goal for today was to do my intro clip by the ocean and take a nice drive down the coast to my buddy's house, not film anything, not do any adventurous stuff, but here we are. We are already limping the Miata along and we haven't even left the California coast yet. Let's see if we can at least just get down to my buddy's house and get everything sorted out here. This is gonna be a long ride, everybody. Okay, it has been an hour since the epoxy job. Let's go ahead and see if it's holding up at all. Looks to be like we're good. Over to the side here, we've got a Tesla charging station, but I guess I'm not cool enough for that. So, I'm sitting right on the side of the road. No rush is right. I've been passed by every single car along the way. It's nice because our coolant hose is not leaking anymore, so hopefully over the next 150 miles will be good before we can go ahead and buy a new one and keep going on the road. We are cruising through the Central Valley of California right now. Cow. Good thing I'm not in too low of a car right now. Today's been an absolute test. It's been about 380 miles of driving so far, and honestly, I'm glad with the way the car is going. I did not expect to already have the hose issue, but sometimes that's just the way things go. I'm gonna go to AutoZone here in a bit and get the part fixed up tomorrow, but What a wild way to start. It's been a beautiful day, but it's been a tiring day. A little bit more stressful than I would have loved, but you know what? That's the spirit of the adventure. So let's go ahead, let's get that part, let's put the freaking day on a wrap, man. Come on now. What do you think of it?
That was stupid clean.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you know, I had to put the Rocket Bunny wing on the back of it. Or it's not Rocket Bunny, it's like Rocket Tortoise.
Bro, you got this thing looking mint.
Yeah, it's about as mint as they get, you know. It's
It looks like it just comes straight off.
straight from Japan, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, it's actually fantastic.
Did you hammer these in yourself?
Nah, I just use super glue.
Oh, dude, no, it's all
yeah. Dude, but like honestly, like at least 50 pounds of downforce from this.
Right, yeah, I can see it right now. Right there, that's a win.
That's not first try. The old pipe right here.
He scored on that.
This thing is disgusting, dude.
He did pack light.
It's got all that goop on it. New pipe's gonna look way better. Good to go. With that, woo! Time to install again. Okay. One of my favorite things about driving this Miata, which we're naming Big Red by the way, Big Red doesn't eat that much gas. Even with California's expensive gas prices, it's only got a 10-gallon tank. As soon as we get to the cheaper states, it's gonna be literally like $20 fill-ups. It's gonna be awesome. So the game plan for today is to get the heck out of LA. I've been a California resident my whole life. I've seen it. LA has a ton of traffic, and I just wanted to get the heck out of it, man. I hate traffic more than anything else. Like, look at this. I am surrounded by trucks that are 10 billion times bigger than my car. I could almost drive underneath this thing, man. Like, it's not pleasant to be in this when you're in a tiny car. I want to be on the open roads, having fun, jamming out, and seeing some new stuff. The first part of this journey is actually going to be one of the biggest tests for the car in general. It's over 80 degrees right now and early February in the California desert. I'm going to be going into Arizona next. For those of you who don't know, the next probably 800 miles at least are going to be all desert driving. Challenged by another hill. And there we go. There we go, at the top. Temps are still good, let's go, baby! Get over that hill! Send them home, Big Red, send them home! I think that is the biggest hill that I will be taking between here and Mississippi for the next 1,000 miles, maybe even 2,000 miles. I was driving uphill for 20 minutes straight. Big Red keeps championing it, but that was not for the faint of heart. I was pretty nervous right there, but we made it. We're still getting passed by semis. It's sunset, we're in the desert, it's toasty, you know exactly what that means. Miata top's coming off. We're gonna have to figure this out eventually because I have my sleeping pad and other gear right up behind where the soft top's supposed to go, so I don't really know what to do about that. It's kind of, it's gonna be an eyesore, but it's all right for now. I've been driving freeways. Whoa! I got a little slide in right there. That was awesome. Peanut butter and jelly time. The thing about right now is that it's only about 5:20. It's early in the year, it gets dark early. This isn't my full dinner, but it's a little bit to hold me over. Like I said, I'm gonna keep pushing hard into the night. I'm gonna keep on going and trying to get some big miles in tonight. I got places to be in 5 or so days, you know? But anyways, bon appetit. Looking good down there. It's night 1 and I literally already managed to break my tent. So I used some of this duct tape to try to patch it up. I probably look kind of freaky right now, like I'm about to tell a ghost story, and now I can't see anything. It's so dang bright, but calling it early right now. Have some Jack Link's chili, but this spot's really quiet. Like I can hear acres, maybe even a mile away. I can hear dogs barking, hear the coyotes going off. There's this crazy loud, like Arizona high-pitched squeak going on out here too. Must be some sort of weird critter, but anyways, leave no trace. Obviously I'm gonna pack up everything, but I think I'm gonna go to bed here because it's been a long day, and quite frankly, at night there's not much to film without disturbing the peace. So catch you tomorrow.